Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday.
From this moment,
Come on.
life has begun.
Oh my. We didn't plan this.
From this moment, you are the one.
We're here today because Matt couldn't resist going back to the restaurant to find the red-haired beauty that he'd seen the year before. This same week, about 10 years ago. When I asked Caitlin about this moment recently, she remembers seeing him waiting for her, and she knew he was going to ask her out, and she couldn't believe he came back. She was happy to see him, but the timing wasn't right. These moments of connection, combined with patience of love, is something that we all know when we feel it. It might not have been right now, but given enough time, fate always brings us back together.
For my beautiful bride on our special day. You are my everything. You are exactly the part of my life that I didn't know I needed, but today could never live without.
You're absolutely perfect in every way.
You were made to be mine, and nothing will keep us apart. You, Caitlin, Grace, Wyatt, were the one that I was meant to find.
When we met, it was not our time. Good thing I spent the last decade unaware that the perfect man who was made for me existed. Matt, thank you for restoring my faith in love. The feeling that I have knowing that I get to wake up next to you every day for the rest of my life gives me peace that I can't even describe. I can finally let my guard down and breathe. I feel safe.
After a decade and 3 wonderful children, Lila, Daphne, and Nash, Matt and Caitlin are thrilled to share this special part of Austin with you and can't wait to make memories tonight that we'll cherish for the rest of our lives.
Today we begin something new. A life together. You were made to be mine, and nothing will keep us apart. The world is ours tonight. I love you with all that I am. I'll give to you all that I can. With you, we will have our happy ending. Love, your Matthew.
I finally found you, and after traveling 29,906 miles, just like the song from the first movie we watched together, we have now rewritten the stars.
I am so thankful for this.
To say that I love you doesn't really feel like enough right now, but it's just that. I love you. And I'm so happy and lucky to be marrying you today.
Caitlin, you are the love of my life, and I feel so incredibly lucky to be standing here in front of you and say very simply, wow, you look incredible. No other explanation seems to fit other than that the entire universe conspired to put us here, and my gratitude for that truly can't be put into words. It's wild how things work out. I promise to love you. I promise to honor you. I promise to love, honor, and cherish Lila and Daphne in the same way you've already shown to Nash.
So Matt, from what we have all seen, she keeps you happy. You absolutely deserve somebody like her.
there's one thing that Caitlin and I, and Davy, we've always joked about, that gingers have no soul. However, she found her soulmate, so she proved that she has one.
Caitlin, Grace, Wyeth, you are my soulmate, you are my best friend, you are my person, and you are my purpose. However cliche it may be, there's nothing I feel more strongly in this moment than how truly lucky I am to be with you here, and for the journey we are now about to embark on together. You are a gift, and I love you, and I will always forever.